Okay, hello my dear friends. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take an existing PowerPoint that you have created and make a video out of that PowerPoint. So let's begin. By the way, it's a very easy and very simple process. Now before we start, now it's very important to notice in this demonstration I'm using Office 365 Windows version of PowerPoint. But if you are a Mac user using same version, the process is very simple, very similar. So you should be able to follow along with just fine now. First step you need to do, well, obviously be creating your PowerPoint, and if you wanna any animation to be added, like I have got here in mine, you need to do it just before begin recording. But once you have finished making your PowerPoint presentation, the next step you might wanna do is to add an audio to that presentation. For adding audio is very simple and very easy, as I told you before. I just open one file for you, one file presentation for you here. What you need to do is just go up for file menu, you click it. Once you click, you find sub menus down here, you go for export, you click export. Under export, another sub menu is coming to you, you just go for click create a video. All right, now you have to select these options for some features related to the first one here related to the file size. We are actually making and producing a video from our presentation most of the time to upload it to the internet, like for example YouTube website. So I recommend you to go with not the Ultra HD or the Full HD, because this will be very large file sizes. So I recommend you to go with HD 720 or standard, which or medium file size or small file size. So for us, let's go with medium file size today. All right, we click, and the second point, the second option you have to look for, which is we are sometimes producing our video from our presentation just without any narration. In this case, when you click, you find don't use recorded timings and narration. You can just produce video directly without any narration. And the second option we have here, which is record timings and narration. You can add your explanation, you can add your narration along with your PowerPoint slides. So we start to add record our audio using this record timings and narration. All right, once you click it, the slideshow will come to you, and there are some features. Up here you can find record, stop, and replay, and down here also you can find a pen, highlighter. You can choose even the color, and very nice. You can even mark and highlight some important information for your students while adding your narration. So very simply, we just try here. We click record. All right, and now your narration will be recorded along with your presentation. You start to explain each slide. Along with this, your voice, your explanation will be recorded as an audio. Also, you can pause, you can stop recording, you can pause recording, and you can resume back to the same point of explanation. Once you finish your explanation, you just click stop, and here you go up to close slideshow, right? And you go for click create video. After you click creating video, you have where you want to save it and file name, and also you have save as type. We are using save as type as default MP4 most of the time, and for me this time I'll go with desktop to just save. And here I'm gonna writing, for example, unit 4. All right, and you save. Okay, so now the presentation start to be saved as video. This will take a little bit, few seconds. If you have long time, it will take a little bit longer to create your video. You just wait 4 seconds. Yeah, now creating video from your presentation. Okay, now your video is already produced. We go where we saved on the desktop. You find unit 4. We can open unit 4 video, and now your video is actually produced using presentation, using PowerPoint itself. And that's all. Thank you so much for this. Enjoy your presentation, please.